Hello viewers, welcome to Art Zone. Let's create something new. Everyone loves to receive a card either through the post or by hand. Here sharing some of my handmade card for various events designed by me. A handmade cards goes a long way, as knowing someone has taken the time to make it something special is always heartwarming. It's also a chance to show a loved one how much they mean to you by personalizing the greeting to suit their interest. Not only is it a great way to bring up someone's day, it's also a perfect opportunity to practice our paper crafting skills. It suits every occasion and can be gifted to anyone. Greeting cards are treasured remembrance on the part of the receivers. It is always a joy to receive handmade cards. Hope you all are agreed with me. Shortly we'll share tutorial of cards with you. By that time, take care and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Stay blessed. Thank you.